Hello Facebook family, thank you once again for joining me on our cooking demonstration here at the Mansions. So today we're making a really quick, easy, fun, festive meal, if you say, for family and for friends. A quick, nice chicken fried rice, really delicious meal. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so here I have a couple of ingredients. I have my 2 eggs. I already freshly cracked and I whisked them up. I have my salt and pepper, my sesame oil. I have my soy sauce, 2 cups of rice. I have my peas and carrots, onions, red peppers, garlic, and green onions. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the eggs. Gonna just cook them a little bit. We don't have to cook them all the way through because it is gonna cook while cooking with the rice. Okay, so I have my 2 eggs here. Add a little bit of butter. Add my eggs. Okay, just get that going. Okay. Said we do not have to cook them all the way through. So just about like that, a little bit runny, but it's good to go. And these eggs that we use here are pasteurized, so they can be eaten just like that. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our chicken. Chicken, we're gonna put some sesame oil to our pan. Okay. Throw it around so you can coat the whole pan. Okay. So before we put our chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put some garlic, minced garlic. And our onions. And our red peppers. Okay, go ahead and mix these, stir fry them. You want to be careful with your garlic. We want to cook these just enough to release the aroma of the garlic, of the onions, and the peppers. I may add a little bit of butter. Okay. Go. Right. So this is a really quick, easy meal to do, and delicious. All right. So we see we're gonna have a nice golden color on the garlic, and I see that pretty much there. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're gonna add our chicken. This is 2 cups of chicken. It's chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs. It works really well as well. We're gonna add them to our pot. Gonna cook the chicken about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, or until about 3/4, 4th, halfway cooked. This process, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper that I had mixed. All right. I want to stir fry that up pretty well. Gonna add a little bit of more oil. Go. You want to do this about medium-high heat or a little bit higher, so you can sort of, pan fry. right. So when we see that our chicken is about closely ready, about almost cooked, get about a minute or so. Let that stir fry. Right. So next step is going to be our rice. Chicken is about done, about halfway done. All right. Go ahead and add our rice. Just 2 cups of rice. And the rice it was pre-cooked. It is chilled. And the reason we do chilled rice is that way it can actually fry. Or you can do it the day of and just let it sit in the freezer for a little bit. Don't freeze it, just to cool off, to get it cold. Okay, so you want to stir fry the rice with the chicken. So now we want to add our soy sauce. Always stirring continuously, because it is in high heat and you do not want your rice to burn. All right. Get that nice and give it about a minute or so. So next is going to be our peas and carrots. I mix them together, so it's about half a cup of carrots and half a cup of peas. Go ahead and add those now. Green onions. I'm going to do about half and then save the rest for garnish on top later. In a minute or so, I just add my 2 eggs that I had already scrambled. I'm going to just break up the egg. And you can always add more eggs. However you like it. If you like a lot of eggs, you can add another egg or two or so. All right. Let that stir fry for a little bit. All right. There you have it. Quick, easy chicken fried rice. Now let's go ahead and plate. Get some eggs in there. There you have it. Delicious chicken fried rice. And there it is. And until next time, thank you.